Ugh, so much hair. I'm Jackie from New York City, and this is my dog Holly, who sheds like crazy. I've had Holly for about 2 years now. Her shedding drives me crazy because her hair, it gets all over the place on the couch, on the rug, and so I constantly have to be cleaning up after her probably every single day.
You ready? Ready, spaghetti?
Literally, as soon as you walk outside, you're getting dirty in New York City, especially when it's rainy or if there's mud, so she's always getting into a mess. I take her to the groomers probably every 6 to 8 weeks, but it's really expensive. Her haircuts are probably more expensive than mine. If there was something out there where I could groom Holly myself at home, I would be so interested in that and so excited to see what it is. Today, I'm trying out the Neabot Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum, which claims to collect 99% of pet hair into a vacuum container while trimming and brushing hair. I've never seen anything like this before. If this works, I think it would actually be super helpful for me and for Holly, and it would save me a lot of money. Connect the accessory to the vacuum cleaner through the hose. Increase hair retention length, slide down. Okay, so got it. And then use the device. So I think first I'm going to try this attachment, which is supposed to kind of suck in her hair as I'm brushing her. You're good, you're good. See, it's not scary. Sometimes there's more hair, sometimes there's less hair. We did just brush her earlier, so I think this is just kind of getting the remnants. That did actually work, really cool. Makes for cleanup very easy because it just sucks in. We are going to try the trimming. It didn't go particularly well. I think Holly was really scared of the noise, but that doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with the product. The product does work, and I think if we kept exposing Holly to this over time, maybe she could get used to it, but right now, she does not want to be groomed. The concept of the machine is great. I think this is a really great tool. It can save people a lot of money, and I hope Holly can get used to it someday so I can start using it.
What are your thoughts on the Neabot?
Yeah, so my thoughts were that initially it's such a cool product. When we tried the brush on Holly, she was a little squirmy, but it did work. It did suck up her hair, and we really liked it. When we tried the trimmer,
it's a different noise, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the noise kind of scared her. She didn't like it as much, but I think in time, if she got used to it, it could be a really helpful product for us.
For you, you were cleaning up hair constantly with your little hand vacuum thing. Mm-hmm. So now she feels like, oh, mom's, brushing me, and it's sucking up the hair at the same time. So it saves you a step at least, right?
Exactly.
You know what? Every dog has the different coats that they have, the different thicknesses. That's why I love all these attachments. And just because it's not your imagination, in the United States, dog haircuts, on average, are more expensive than human haircuts. So it's not in our imagination. We're not shopping wrong. And I'm going to say, I've been a salon owner, you know this, for 25 years, and I cut my kids' hair at home still post-pandemic because it's easy. I tried to do the dogs once, and I almost fell apart. The house was upside down, there was hair on the ceilings. So whatever we can do, and your dog probably needs just a little trimming because of the kind of coat that she has.
Well, your dogs are like Muppets.
My dog's a
crazy
Muppet,
hair.
so I'm definitely going to try it.